Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a true legend, the 2024 BMW M8. This isn't just your average luxury coupe, it's a savage beast in a tuxedo, a machine that blends heart-stopping performance with unparalleled refinement. Exterior: the M8's design is pure eye candy, from the bulging fenders to the sleek, low-slung silhouette. It exudes an aura of power and athleticism. The iconic kidney grille is larger and more assertive than ever, making a bold statement about the car's intentions. Interior: but the M8 isn't just about brute force. Step inside, and you're greeted by a luxurious cabin bathed in premium leather and Alcantara. The M Sport seats hug you like a second skin, while the panoramic sunroof bathes the interior. Tech-wise, the M8 is loaded with goodies. A fully digital instrument cluster displays all the vital information you need, while the head-up display keeps your eyes on the road. The iDrive infotainment system is intuitive and responsive, and the Harman Kardon sound system delivers concert-quality audio. But the real magic of the M8 lies under the hood. A twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 engine pumps out a mind-blowing 617 horsepower and 553 pounds-to-feet of torque. This translates to a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.3 seconds, making the M8 one of the fastest cars on the road. But the M8 isn't just about straight-line speed. It handles like a dream, too. The adaptive M suspension keeps the car glued to the road, while the MX Drive all-wheel drive system provides incredible traction in all weather conditions. So, is the 2024 BMW M8 worth its hefty price tag? In a word, yes. It's a rare breed of car that combines breathtaking performance with luxurious comfort and cutting-edge technology. If you're looking for the ultimate driving experience, the M8 is the car for you. What do you guys think of the 2024 BMW M8? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic car content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.